As a Dubsado Certified Specialist, it comes with the perks of being able to create one-click proposal form templates, which you can just click of a button, install into your account. So today I just wanted to show you one of my new proposals that I have designed that you can instantly upload into your Dubsado account. So this proposal, I say it's for an interior designer, but it can be used for absolutely any service-based business. So we have all of the sections that you need in a proposal. So first of all, we will have the top bar. If you decide that you want to have the contract and invoice, that is an option that you can select on the back of the form, which I will show you in a minute. And then we have the hero banner, which will pull through your client's name and company name. We have a small welcome section, a section about your company and who you are. So we've got the portfolio section where you can highlight some of your best imagery. Then we have a scrolling banner where you can highlight some of your awards, timeline and process, which is very, very important for your business, for them to know the exact process and the steps that is going to happen when you work with them. So I have that section in there. Design concept is an extra section that I've put in, and this will be quite specific to the project, specifically maybe for branding and interior designers and along the designer route. Then the best part that I love about this proposal is the fact that I've actually got two separate estimate sections. So you can have the section where this is outlined, like in an item description, line items, and obviously have your add-on sections, or you can have it where it's outlined in packages and it's bullet points. So there's each individual package. So rather than just them selecting the one quote, they can actually choose from a package with specific information within that package. And they have the buttons to do it, or here they just have a checkbox to accept. Once it is selected, the text will actually be populated next to the submit button for them to be able to submit. And it also highlights, so when you submit this button, it will highlight with your background, your brand color, so they can see that it's actually selected. So you'll see here that the total will be highlighted at the bottom once they select the package. They can also unselect them as well. Then the next part is a testimonial, which is really important to include on your proposal to show social proof. Then I've just thrown in this extra case study section. So you don't actually have to use this, but sometimes it's nice to highlight a before and after of one of your projects and a bit more information about that project if it relates to that specific client. Then it's always good to have frequently asked questions, that other things that may not have cropped up in your discovery call. Your information, if you need to capture any more information that you didn't capture on the lead capture form, then you can put this in this section here. And then next steps. So you're actually outlining that, okay, they're submitting the proposal, then they're going to sign the contract, then they're going to pay the invoice. So this outlines that steps. And then we've just got links to social media accounts if you want to have this on as well. So in the back, it actually looks pretty much the same as what it does on the front end, except you won't see the top bar. And if you ever want to make sure that you have the contract and the invoice, you have that option of doing that within the form settings. So you've got to include your contract and invoice. If you don't want these to show, then you can toggle them off. If you head over to the link in the comments, you'll see that I have my proposal templates there, and it just gives you an overview of what you get in the proposal templates. My best-selling proposal template is actually the Lola template, which is this one here, but recently I've added two separate ones which are specific to businesses. So you've got social media management. Again, you can use these with any service-based business. It doesn't need to be used for that specific industry, but I've just created them so they're a bit more specific. So there's a couple of different ones, and then I've got Sophia and Grace as well. So if you want to get the template, you can click on the link to get the templates, and then this will take you through to the template page where you can actually go and view the demo as well of these. And the great thing about this is I actually will customize this template for you. There'll be an option within the cart for you to add on brand customization, which includes adding your fonts, your brand colors, and any imagery as well. If you want to find out more about my proposal templates, then head over to the link in the comments.